Going to discuss about Airport Security Force English portion inspector. So there are some sentence completion questions with proper answers. So we will deal all of these questions with their explanations. So first one is a judgment made before all the facts are known must be called. What is meaning of this sentence? Meaning of this sentence is you are making a judgment without any fact, so this will not be fair, this will not be mature. So our correct option will be premature. A judgment made before all the facts are known must be called premature judgment. So option D is the correct one option. The best response is D. There is explanation which of the choices describe a judgment made before all the facts are known. Such a judgment by definition is not deliberate, and the sentence does not tell us whether the judgment was harsh or lenient, sensible or silly, fair or unfair. Premature means hastily or early, therefore it fits the blanks perfectly. Question number 2 is the study on Pseudomonas. Pseudomonas, this is related with bacterial type. The study of Pseudomonas is so clean, prolific, sporadic, comprehensive, haphazard that it leaves no part of life cycle of this notorious pathogen. So the study of Pseudomonas is so comprehensive. Second part of the sentence describes us that the study of Pseudomonas is so comprehensive. So second part describes about first part of the sentence. So best response is A. Word like complete, thorough or extensive could all fit. Now look at the answer choices. Choices A. Comprehensive is similar to the word suggested and none of the other choices fit at all. Question number 3 is Bano's prize-winning novel Raja Git exemplifies the intrinsic strength of a person. There are two kinds of strength of a person. Extrinsic means external, intrinsic means internal. So Bano's prize-winning novel Raja Git exemplifies the intrinsic strength of a person. The protagonist tells her own experiences so if it be appreciable, controversial, superfluous, subjective, contradictory. So best option is C. Banu's prize-winning novel Raja Git exemplifies the intrinsic strength of a person. The protagonist tells her own experience. So here are two things: superfluous and protagonist. So Banu's prize-winning novel Raja Git exemplifies the intrinsic strength of a person. The protagonist means prominent person, leading character we can say. In a film, a character There are some characters which are leading characters, so these are called protagonists. The tells her own experiences so effectively that any additional commentary would be appreciable, controversial, superfluous. Superfluous means more than enough. So all the things are exemplified in our sentence or in the novel of Banu Qudsiya, which is Rajagir. So, uh, if we are giving additional commentary, so it will be more than enough. So, more than enough means superfluous. So, C is the correct one option. The Supreme Court reversal of its previous ruling on the issue of provincial rights sustained its reputation for inconsistency, compromised. There is a controversial statement. So, not both words should be in the prominence or in the repute of judiciary or Supreme Court. So, vacillation, dispelled vacillation. Vacillation means space, indecision, you can say. So option B is the correct one. Option, what is explanation of this? Most people would agree that the Supreme Court members think long and hard before they make a ruling. Reversing one of those ruling is probably an unusual and undesirable event. In each choice, the second word suggests a reputation the court might have. Which of those words most probably names a reputation we usually expect of the Supreme Court? Choices A and C are illogical as the court do not want to sustain inconsistencies. The choices D and E are also illogical as the court do not want to see vacillation. Vacillation means space and spoiled flexibility. Spoiled flexible character. Spoiled means bad flexible character. So option B is correct one. Question 5 is Fauzia represents herself as a bold journalist. What is meaning of bold journalist? Bold journalist, we can say a journalist which is brave in his questioning. Means a journalist which has no any kind of fear from any kind of a person. So that person, a journalist, is called bold journalist. By asking people in a politics the kind of controversial circumnating, abnormal, irrelevant. So controversial is the correct one option of the questions that other reporters do not ask. So Fauzi represents by asking people in politics the kinds of controversial questions that other reporters do not ask. Question number 6. Ozone in the Earth's atmosphere, living organism. Ozone in the Earth's atmosphere protects, warns, reflects, absorbs, protects living organisms from damaging ultraviolet radiations. Ozone is a layer on Earth's surface which protects and absorbs ultraviolet radiations which were trying to reach to the surface of Earth. Ultraviolet radiations are very harmful radiations which harm human or living organisms. So question 6 have first one, A option is correct one. Question number 7. So persuasive was the salesperson's tone about the qualities of the new computer system that Najam nearly missed the flaw in his calculation in his budget. Question number 8. Despite his illness, Inzamam was in winning his team. So this sentence is describing the positive behavior or leading character of Inzamam. So positive answer will be the final answer. Despite his illness, Inzamam was disappointing. This is wrong. Useless, this is also wrong. Vigorous, instrumental, these are the options C and D. So most important answer and most suitable answer is instrumental. Salma's home looked as though it had been from a rag bin. Her expensive burner was her soul of luxury. So if we first one is not computerized, cost, modernized, symbol, salvaged, uh, sign. So D option is correct one. What is meaning of salvaged? Salvaged means sign, save, protected. So Salma's home looked as though it has been salvaged from a wreck bin, means saved from a wreck bin. Her expensive burner was her sole sign of luxury. So question number 10 section. The best response for question number 9 was D. From there is explanation from a rag bin gives the idea of salvaged. Opposite to it is sign of luxury. Hence the right option is D. Question number 10 is the applicant answer tough questions with planned candor, impatient candor, unintentional candor, or disarming candor, winning over many interviews who had previously spotted his rival. The applicant answered tough questions with question D is correct one. Disarming candor. Disarming candor means impartiality, fairness without any support. So applicant answered tough question with fairness, you can say fairness or impartiality, candor, winning over many interviews who had previously spotted his rival. So this was the section about English in Airport Security Force, ASF Security Force, which is called Airport Security Force, for the post of inspector.